Welcome back to Cash Rooms SC. Today we're at the Walsh's house from Beverly Hills 90210. And we're opening a 90s pack of NBA Skybox. Let's open it up and see what we get. On top we have Grant Long. We have Moses Malone. We have Frank Cornett. We have a Derrick McKey. We have a Rodney McCray. We have a Paul Pressey. We have a Scott Hafner. We have a Charles Oakley. We have a Sam Perkins. Nice. We have a Terry Teagle. We have a Nick McMillan. We have a Jerome Lane. We have a John Long. We have a David Greenwood. We have a Jerome Richardson and a Brad Davis to end off the pack. That's a really cool pack, and fight on.